Raw cocoa beans arrive at the factory, carefully unloaded and prepared for processing as the journey from bean to chocolate begins. The beans move along conveyors into the intake system, where they are inspected to ensure only high-quality cocoa continues forward. Dust, debris, and impurities are removed using vibrating sieves, airflow systems, and precision separation equipment. The cleaned beans are sorted by size and consistency, preparing them for the roasting stage ahead. Cocoa beans enter large rotating drums where controlled heat develops their deep flavor and aroma. As roasting continues, the beans darken and release rich cocoa notes, transforming their internal structure. The roasted beans exit and begin cooling, stabilizing their temperature for the next stage of processing. Once cooled, the beans are cracked open, separating the outer shells from the valuable cocoa nibs inside. Airflow systems remove the lightweight shells, leaving behind pure cocoa nibs ready for grinding. The nibs are crushed into a thick paste, slowly transforming into a smooth liquid known as cocoa liquor. This cocoa liquor flows through the system and is stored before further refinement and separation. Part of the cocoa liquor is pressed to extract cocoa butter, leaving behind solid cocoa cake. Cocoa butter flows as a golden liquid, while compressed cocoa solids are formed for reuse in production. Measured ingredients, including cocoa liquor, sugar, and cocoa butter, are combined for blending. The mixture forms a thick chocolate paste, beginning the transformation into finished chocolate. This paste passes through refining rollers, reducing particle size to create a smoother texture. As refining continues, the chocolate becomes thinner and more uniform, improving mouthfeel. The refined chocolate enters conching machines, where it is mixed, aerated, and developed over time. During conching, moisture is reduced and flavor is enhanced, creating a smoother, richer chocolate. The chocolate becomes glossy and fluid, reaching its final refined consistency. It flows into holding tanks, ready for precise temperature control in the tempering stage. Tempering carefully heats and cools the chocolate, stabilizing it for a perfect finish and shine. The tempered chocolate is now ready to be shaped and formed into final products. Liquid chocolate is deposited into molds, forming consistent shapes as production continues. The molds are gently vibrated to remove air bubbles and ensure a smooth surface. Chocolate settles evenly, creating clean edges and a glossy finish within each mold. Filled molds enter cooling tunnels where controlled air solidifies the chocolate gradually. As cooling continues, the chocolate contracts slightly, separating cleanly from the mold. Finished chocolate bars are released from molds and move forward on the production line. Each bar is inspected using advanced systems to ensure perfect shape and surface quality. Defective pieces are removed automatically, while approved products continue through the process. Some lines create filled chocolates, forming outer shells before adding internal fillings. Caramel or cream is added precisely before sealing the chocolates with a final layer. Coated products pass through flowing curtains of chocolate, covering them evenly. Excess coating is removed, leaving a consistent layer before final cooling begins.
Line is running smooth today. Keep the pace steady. Roger that. Box is filling up fast. Good. Seal the next batch.
All finished chocolate products move together toward the packaging section. High-speed machines wrap each product with precision, sealing them for protection. Labels, batch codes, and expiry details are applied for tracking and distribution. Products are grouped and packed into cartons using automated systems. Cartons are sealed, labeled, and prepared for storage and shipment. Pallets are stacked neatly, forming organized units ready for transport. Forklifts move finished pallets into warehouse areas efficiently. Inventory systems track each pallet, ensuring accurate distribution planning. Products are retrieved and prepared for shipment to various destinations.
All right, bringing this one down aisle 12. Positioning now, raising the load.
At the loading dock, pallets are placed into trucks for delivery. Shipments leave the factory, beginning their journey to distribution centers. At distribution hubs, products are sorted and redirected based on routes. Chocolate is transported to retail stores, ready for customers around the world.
What to get? Oh, they have Reese's.